Everywhere. Everywhere, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Everywhere. Everywhere. Toro 4s everywhere. These things are gonna be outlet bound, baby. Outlet bound. And it is currently, what time is it? It is currently 12:52. Look at that. 12:52. And they sitting. Yep. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today we are out and about. Yep. It's my anniversary. Well, it's our anniversary. You know what I'm saying? 21 years of long marriage. She put up with me for a while in my sneaker addiction. So salute to Mrs. Kicknology over here. You feel what I'm saying? So today we just had breakfast. It was a dope place in Orlando. Super nice. Food was banging. I'll probably put some pictures up, show y'all the food. I ate a lot. Chest hurt. Have you ever ate so much that your chest hurt? Nope. That's the way I feel today. You know what I'm saying? I ate so much, my stomach don't hurt, but my chest hurt. That could be. I probably got to poop. What? Anyway, all right. So we are headed to the mall because today we did have these sneakers right here that dropped. And I kind of figured they was going to sit. They're sitting on the sneakers out. I think everybody was just all in uproar and they were just worried about the Travis Scotts. And then we had the Nigel drop. And then they pushed these sneakers back that these are going to kind of fly under the radar, to be honest with you. But I do think they're going to be a nice pickup for a lot of people. But you're going to be able to get them at a discounted rate. Y'all let me know below if y'all actually got them for the retail or y'all gonna mess around and wait. I think y'all should be safe to wait, though. But we're going to go into the mall. I'm going to see what's sitting in the Orlando area since I'm not going to be in the Tampa area today. But we're going to see what's out in the mall. So let's see what's going on. Hey, I appreciate y'all. Make sure I hit the subscribe button. And let's get off into this vlog. Let's go. All right, we're gonna try Shoe Palace and see what they got. We don't have a Shoe Palace at a mall that I normally go to, so whenever I can go up in here, I like to check it out. So sitting up in here, look at these Lakers. Never seen these before, but I'm good on those. Still got the 9s here, as you guys can see. These are tough, but they still sitting here. These definitely will be on sale soon. These joints here, still sitting here as well. All right, here we go. Sitting on shelves. You feel what I'm saying? These should definitely be available for you guys. If you guys want to go out into the store, no problem. You should be able to pick these things up easily. Like I said, it ain't a bad sneaker, but it is different than the prior release that we had. Yep. Bloodline sitting in here. They'll be on clearance. These are still in here. Bands still sitting up in here. And these Jordan 1s are actually fire, in my opinion. As they continue to drop down, I will be adding these, but y'all know I'm a Jordan 1 guy. White metallic 5s. Sitting up in here, got the 2-3 on it. Y'all like the 2-3, but they still sitting. Got these joints still sitting up in here. So yeah, man, this Shoe Palace has a lot, man. I feel like this might be the norm of what's sitting, but I like that backdrop with the Jordan cards back there. That's kind of dope, man. Got the Griffies in here. That shirt dope. That's a dope shirt to match those Griffies. But these are definitely still sitting in stores. Foams, Kobe's. Boom. These still up in here. They still full price though. $219. That's why they're not selling. These Kobe's. Tough. Tough. Fake Kobe's. Hirachis, both colorways. Sitting up in here. Got the shades. Camo joints. I don't see the black leather ones, but these, I actually like these.
Stop the cap.
Jars. Jurassic Park packs. Year the Host. Foams. You know y'all like y'all foams. Those just dropped. Stranger Things. Neons. Pearls. University Blues. Man, bro, it is a lot of stuff sitting here. KDs, expected. KDs are expected. Even when it comes to the clearance markdown, we got these Kobe's, Charles Barkley's, Griffies again. The Griffies that y'all say ain't sitting at all, but they are. Got these up in here. Devin Booker's. 81 point Kobe's, Diamond Turf 2s, Cough Drop Foams. Man, it's so much stuff sitting in this store, man. I love to see it, man. Y'all get out into y'all stores. All right, we're gonna check out Foot Locker. This Foot Locker seems kind of small, but I'm gonna check it out. See up in here. Easter Junks. As soon as we come up in here, kind of figured these was gonna be sitting. We got the bands. These junks right here. Same stuff. Pretty much in the same locations. So look, we got the same thing here. As you guys can see, grippies, foams, diamond turfs. Same thing, man. All the same stuff are sitting in the stores. Still a bunch of jives, but this one, Kool-Aid joints. I wasn't a big fan of this one. I think this is the first miss on the colorways, but I also have the Jurassic Park joints right here, which are cool too, man. But I still don't own any jives, man. I don't know. I just didn't add anything to my collection. They got the VA GT Futures in store. If y'all feeling these, you know what I'm saying? All right, JD Sports, we see the same stuff, but we do see these joints here. They are sitting at JD Sports. Feel what I'm saying? Y'all went crazy for those. These are actually on the wall already. And these here, I don't even know what these is. I don't know which Josh these is. These things sitting here too. A lot of stuff sitting up in the stores, man. Like I said, we got the Bruce Lee joints, or what my Kila call them, Bruce Lee joints, Jurassic Park joints in stores. We got real quick, just take a look at them. This is a 10.5, you know what I'm saying, 10.5. Face Nike, Jordan Man, Jumpman, face box, Jordan face box. I mean, like I said, they're not bad sneakers, bro. Definitely a dope pair. So go out into your stores, get them, or wait. They will be on clearance. I'm telling you guys, they will definitely be on clearance. So definitely do what you need to do. But if you go out into the stores, I'm telling you, you better use coupons, discounts to get these things. But what are y'all thoughts? Did y'all pick these things up? The Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo things finally dropped. Let me know. All right, y'all. So that was it for the mall. A lot of stuff sitting in there. I'm telling y'all to go out into your stores, see what's sitting around in there. Use the coupons, save your money, man. Put the extra money on your gas, you know what I'm saying, in your tanks. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all let me know down below if y'all cop the Air Jordan 4 Toro Bravo, if y'all cop those, or are y'all gonna wait. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Y'all know the same, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember everything we talk about, just bait. With me, share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Kicknology.